There are a few different ways that you can embed YouTube videos into an area within a Blackboard course. In this example, I'm going to show you two, and I'm going to do that within my lessons area. So I have already logged into Blackboard. I'm in my course and I'm in the lessons area. So this would be somewhere where I would keep my PowerPoint presentations, my Word documents, the materials that I want students to use when they go through the various chapters or modules of your course. So the first example, I'm going to take advantage of an item that's already created. So for this example, the topic here is understanding the law of gravity. So what I'm going to do is first click on the circle with the downward pointing arrow next to it and go to Edit. And once I've clicked on Edit, I'm going to go to the Edit area, and right where it says Mashups, I'm going to click on Mashups, and I'm going to click on YouTube video. And so a window's going to pop up and it's going to let you search YouTube. So if you have a certain video in mind that you want to use, make sure you know the name of it so you can type it in the correct way, and then YouTube will search for that respective video. In this case, I'm going to search for law of gravity, and it's going to search YouTube for any video having to do with the laws of gravity. And so say, for example, this one here is the one that I'm looking for. I'm going to select it. Otherwise, you can search through the numerous videos that are available. But I'm going to select this video. And then I can decide what I want the name to show up as to my students. And I can simplify the name. I can change it. I'm going to shorten it a little bit. And then down here, you can decide if you want it to show up as either a thumbnail, a text link with player, or an embedded video. So a thumbnail is going to show you like a small example of what the video is going to look like when they click on it. So you can see what the first part of it will be like. A text link is just going to say the name of the video, and then they have to actually click on it to get it to play. And then an embedded video will show you the size of the video in that area within Blackboard, and when you click on it, it'll play right there. So for this example, I'm going to click on embed video, and then I can decide if we're going to show the URL, the web address for the video or not, and then show the YouTube information, so where it came from, what the YouTube title is. I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to click on submit. And so now you can see in the edit pane that yellow area is representing where the video is, and that size, the size of the yellow there, is showing you how big the video is going to look when it plays. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and you can't see this, but I'm going to click on submit, and there's your video. And it's as easy as the students just clicking right on it for it to play. So that is method number one. A second way to import a YouTube into a Blackboard course is to go right up to build content and then go directly down to video, and then you can give your video a name. So in this case we'll call it gravity, and then you can do a couple things. But if we're looking to import a YouTube video, you simply go to browse mashups and YouTube video, and then you go through the same steps that we went through previously. So we're going to look for law of gravity. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to click on go. It's going to search for the video. Again, if you know the name of the video, you can put that right into the box. But here we're going to select the same video, and then we're going to go through the same step. We can rename it here. We can add text to describe the video, and you can even preview it. You can also decide if you want it to show up as a thumbnail, a text link, or an embedded video. This time we're going to click thumbnail, and then you can go through again the following. You can also decide if you want it to show after a certain period of time. You can limit the amount of time the video is visible for. But once you're done with all of these preferences, you simply click submit, and the video will show up. And as I mentioned, you have two examples here, one of them being a thumbnail video. So you click on it and it opens in a new window, and then the one above, you click on it and it actually plays right in Blackboard.